Alright, engine is about to start. Didn't want to start. Try again. Nothing? You hitting the clutch?
All the way in.
Make sure it's in neutral. Hit it again.
Go to sleep, fool.
Right. There it goes. Alright, so car started. You can see it's out on the really rough. So ground points. Alright, so turn the headlights on. See how the engine wanted to die a little bit when the headlights came on? Off? Turn the headlights off. Headlights back on. See, every time the headlights come back on, kind of wants to die. Off. Headlights back on. There it goes. So the ground points, like I said, it's here, properly connected. On the intake manifold, it was grounded off. These two ground points here are connected. This ground point is connected, ground off. And the one for the back here from the battery, not from the battery, from the transmission is connected.